Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to model the wing on this Airbus and also how to model the canopy, not the canopy, the windshield and the nose section of this Airbus also. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, find your airfoil that you're going to use and just save it somewhere that you can find it pretty quick so you can pull it up when you need it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is draw a line. Let's see, turn my sketch on, or not sketch, canvas. The side view, okay. And I'm going to turn the mid body off. All right. Now I'm going to draw a line where I think this wing is and approximate the height of it also. So first thing to do, sketch this plane here. L for line. And all right, now we got that line there. Let's take a look at the top. Now back here, it needs to just go forward just a little. And just imagine this, again, line extending here. So this needs to go backwards a little. And like I said, this here, just imagine this line going straight across as well. Okay, we got that line there now. Looks good from the top. It's good from the side. Take a look at it at the front and see if it's the right height. Now, I want that line to be at the right height halfway between here and here. So when I draw another plane, it'll come up directly through here. All right, and that looks good too. Go ahead and finish sketch. Now what we're going to do is insert a canvas. And this airfoil here. Okay. And I want to put it on this plane here. And this is the airfoil that I picked. Moving it back here. Now I don't need the sketch of this right side, so I'll just go ahead and turn that off too, or the canvas of the right side canvas. Turn that off so I see the line here too. And I want the front of this to line up here with this line and the back of this to line up with this line. So I need to make it a little smaller. And it still needs to be a little smaller. And there we are. And click OK. Now what we want to do is just trace this airfoil. So I want to create a sketch on this plane. Use a fit point spline. What I'm going to use here. Let's see. Okay. And the bottom. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'll go ahead and finish sketch and turn the canvas, the side view back on. Let's see what we have here. All right, now what we want to do is just do a plane at an angle. So come up here, construction, plane at an angle, and the line you want to use is this line. Also, that's my that little message, error message said that my construction planes were not on, so I will not see. So I'll just turn those on. Now I want to look at the front view. Now the plane's right here, and I want to turn these others off. And this is the origin, so I'll go ahead and turn that off too. Okay, I have a better picture of seeing everything. So now I want to rotate this until this looks at as approximately the correct angle. And so 5 is not it. So I'll put 6 in here. And it's still not it. Let's try 7. Okay, try 8. Imagine that going up. 8 is just a little bit too much, so I'll put 7.5. And there we have the plane, and click OK. Now what we want to do is draw lines on this plane here, so go up here to create sketch, and the plane I want to draw a sketch on is this plane. Okay, but first I want to project a couple of points. So hit P on the keyboard for project, and I want to project this and this, and click OK. Now I want to draw a line from here to here. Okay. And I want to do the same thing over here too. So another line. And I want this to be here. Okay. Now, can move this one a little forward. you want, but I'm going to go for that for now. Okay. And that's what we have so far. So I have the airfoil and the two lines here. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and finish sketch. And this is what we have. Now I'm going to sweep this profile out. So I'm going to create and button here to sweep. And here I'm going to select path plus guide rail. And the profile, this profile, this profile. The path, I'm going to use this, and the guide rail, I'm going to use this. Now, if you get this, it doesn't fully come out here like you want it to. Come up to here, extend, and click on full extents. There you go. Now you have that body there. Now, as you can see, it's a little high, so we can move it down, or the profile that I use is just a little too big. It's the wrong profile for this, but I just want to show you how to do this. So when you find the correct profile that you want to use, then this is exactly how you would do it. The same thing what I did here. Now what we want to do is continue out here. So again, we'll go up here to create sketch. Now, the plane we want to sketch on is the same plane as this portion here. So I'll come over here, turn this plane on so I can see it. Now that's a plane I want to sketch on. Construction plane, that is. Okay. First thing I want to do though is project this point, this point. Click OK. Now we're going to the top and we're going to draw lines again. And another line. Now, if you notice, when I come down here and move this over to this line, or excuse me, yeah, this line and this dot here, it snaps to it. And now if I go straight across, it gives me dotted lines. It lets me know that this line is completely perpendicular to it. So click that and hit OK. Now this is what we have. Go ahead and finish your sketch. And now, again, we're going to do a sweep. And path guide rail selected again. And the profile we want to select is this one. And the path, this, and this. And we want to join it. And click OK. And it's just that simple to model the wing. Now I can turn the canvas off, sketches off, and turn that mid body back on. And there we have the wing. Now, if you want to, I turned the canvases back on here. See these lines in here? You can put these lines in here too if you want to. It's pretty simple to do also. What you want to do is go up to create sketch, and the plane that you want to sketch on. Again, come down here to construction, and I want to turn on this plane here because I want to sketch on this plane. Now what you want to do is line. I'm not going to do them all. I'll just show you how to just start them so you can know how to do that. Here, here. Okay. Now go ahead and finish sketch. And you want to modify and come up here to split body. This is a body to split. I don't know what happened here, but anyway, let's see, sketches. There we go. There we go. Now, come up here to split body, turn this on. Splitting tool is this, and hit OK. Now, these are two bodies that you come up here to your bodies, you see this. And this here is the wing. Come over here and change this to wing. And this is the aileron body. All right. Now if we cut the canvases off, now if you notice here, there's no lines in here. Now, if you have that problem, you're not seeing lines in your model, hit Control and the number 6. And that'll bring your lines back. So now we have the aileron and this. Now to split this even further, turn the canvases back on, and we're going to draw a line from here to here. So create sketch. On this plane, L for line, and first need to project this. Hit OK. Now line here, here, OK, and finish sketch. Next, modify, split body. This is the body to split. Select the tool. This is the tool, and click OK. Now we have that split into two more bodies here. And scroll up here. Turn the canvases off, and this is what we have so far. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put the windows in this thing. Okay, turn the canvases back on and turn the side view on, and there it is. Now, I want to create sketch on this plane. What I'm going to do here is just do an outline of this. So, come up here, spline. Okay. Now I'm only doing the outside here because it looks more like the real thing. Now I'll finish sketch. Turn sketches on, back on. Now we want to split this body. So modify, split body, and this is the body. I want to select a tool, which is this. All right, now we have this here. Change this to window. And turn the right side off here. There's what we have. And turn the lines off, which is Control 4. Ah, sorry about that. Turn it back on. But this is what we have. And to actually see this even better, what I'm going to do is we'll first turn the canvases off. All right. Now I'm going to come up here to the window, right click, and appearance. And let's see. Select glass. And close that. And that's what we have. Looks pretty good. Okay, and that's it for this week. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments and I will answer them. And don't forget to hit that like button for this video. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. And we will catch you in the next video. Oh, just a reminder, in the next video, I'll be showing you how to do the vertical stab and the wing tips and possibly the belly pan this time. But also in some future upcoming videos, I will show you how to model the winglets here. They're pretty easy too. But anyway, we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.